This is the new Asus 8Z, the phone that's been rebranded from Zenfone 8 to 8Z in India, and let's see whether it's worthy for the price tag or not. Inside the box we got a case which was kinda different as it got a unique texture going on and some instruction manuals and charging cables, etc.
Coming to my initial impressions on the Asus 8Z. This phone might be for people who are looking for a compact and lightweight flagship mobile.
Also, it got no bloatware pre-installed on the phone. This phone comes with a Super AMOLED 5.9-inch HDR10+ display, and it also got 120Hz support with fluidness, and watching content on this mobile is a pretty good experience. Now, coming to the speakers, it comes with stereo speaker setup, and here's how they sound. This phone also comes with a headphone jack, and Asus you did it. This phone is equipped with Snapdragon 888 processor and got 5G support. The only 8Z variant sold in India comes with 8GB of RAM and 120GB of storage. So here's a small Call of Duty gameplay.
Contact with enemy! Target! Enemy contact! Target's inside! Enemy!
Standing by. UAV standing by. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Predator missile on standby. UAV online.
Enemy contact! Enemy down! Contact with enemy! Reload!
The camera module of 8Z comes with a dual camera setup with 64MP main lens and 12MP ultra wide lens, and this phone can shoot videos up to 8K at 24 frames per second. The Asus 8Z is equipped with 4000 mAh of battery and can be charged up to 60% in half an hour with the 30-watt adapter that comes inside the box. Coming to the security of this phone comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor which was snappy and reliable. The power button of this phone can be used with two gestures. You can press and hold to access your Google Assistant or press twice to quickly access any app that you desire. And these can be configured in the settings under Smart Key options. Another great feature of this phone was scheduled charging. Unlike Apple's optimized charging, Asus gives you the whole control of the phone in this segment. You can assign the time under which your phone can be fully charged. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Myself Sampath, and catch you in the next one.